Hey guys, it's Fred, Bearfoot Adventures. What's up? Hey guys, I got a different video for you today. We're going to be seasoning our new Blackstone Grill. Now I have a tailgater grill, which one side has the grill, you open it up, and one side has a flat top grill. And we're going to be seasoning the flat top grill. Now I just got this for my birthday, so I'm going to see if I like it, and if I do, I'm going to be getting a 17-inch grill for my new rig that we're going to be getting hopefully soon. So sit back, enjoy, and I will show you how you season your grill. So enjoy this intro, and I'll see you on the other side. So I hope you enjoyed that little intro and a little b-roll for you. And then some of the things you can cook on your flat grill. I showed you a little clip there. But also, all you need is some oil. Now this is where it gets a little controversy, because some people say you don't need any flaxseed oil, some people say you do. I am using all natural oil. You put a thin coat on it, you let it burn for 15 minutes or until the smoke disappears, and then you put another little layer on it, and so on and so on, until you get a nice dark surface. So let's get started. Now you just put a nice thin layer on this. And you need to get the sides. And you make sure you get all the sides. Up the sides. In the back. Oh. I don't want to use my hand, it's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. A little bit more. Even get the outside too. Get it nice, baby, nice. Alright, you let that burn for 15 minutes, starting now. I was told that this took 2 beers, so we'll see. I'm halfway through my first one. So we'll see what happens. And like I said, you just need some paper towel, some light oil or flaxseed oil is what they recommend, but I didn't have any, and a set of tongs so you don't burn your hand, or some way of keeping your hand from getting burnt. So you want to stay safe, okay? And here is some more footage of some other stuff that you can cook on your Blackstone while you wait your 15 minutes. So roll that B-roll, baby. All right, thank you. Alright, we do this again. You just keep doing this for like 5 times. I might have got a little too much on that one. Yeah. No, that's pretty good. Now when you first get your Blackstone Grill or your flat griddle, make sure you clean it. No, the only way you clean it is just with some soap and water. That's it. And when you want to clean it any other way, you just use some clear water. Every time you cook on this, it gets more and more seasoning. So you just let that burn off for another 15 minutes. You keep repeating this process over and over. Alright, until it's nice and brown. Mine already is because I let it sit for a little while. So, but you'll see when you start doing yours. Like I said, don't forget the outsides. Well, they were right. Took 2 beers to do this job. Yum. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to show you one more time the last step, and then that'll be it. So, I won't bore you with all the other ones. You can do them until yours gets about 5 times. It's the same process. A little bit on, wipe it, wait 15 minutes, a little bit on, wipe it, 15 minutes. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe below. If you're back to my channel, thank you. We love our Bearfoot buddies. You guys are awesome. Thank you for watching. And hit that thumbs up. It does help my channel. And be safe on the road, guys. So you just put on a nice thin layer, guys, and that's it. So we appreciate everybody being around. Ooh, a little pop in there. Thank you for stopping by and watching our videos and supporting our channel. We really do appreciate it. And we will see you around the campfire, around the grill in this case. Alright, bye guys.